so I'm ballin' like Spalding. One piece, Block 6, how you ballin' like Baldwin. Your favorite rapper out, I'ma lay him in the coffin. No talking when I'm talking, cause the legend pay attention. Only time I sat in class is when I'm serving at detention.
I fuck with Soulja Boy, get money, nigga. Every time I see rappers, all I'm thinking I'ma get them. In the booth, in the streets, I've been on the tear and rip them. 15 and 16, I was breaking down the system. Nobody could tell me nothing. I was living off my system, had fucked up. I thought it would be cool to go to prison, watching Hot Boys on BT, getting all these women. So I got my gold grill because I'm thugged out with them. B-Town waterfront I put on for my city, who done did it for 6 years. Just reached 20, a lot of dudes I grew up with didn't see 20. Every time I have a birthday, I'm thinking God love me. Every time I hit the beat, man, I do it for my mom. Working hard every day, I'ma make it where it's mine. I'ma hustle all the time like Lil Wayne do. If you up against me, you get ate like grapefruit. My first reaction was like, just chill and stay cool. The rap game is slow and it just ain't cool. Always jocking on my style and it just ain't you. Only time I feel you is if a bass boy do, because I'm a rap god and a bass boy too.